This is Dr. Tajinder Pal Singh from PG Department of Music Local, Khalsa College, Patiala. So I'm here to discuss a few things with you. This year I'll be taking up with the Viva exam, Viva paper of MA first year. So in that perspective, I'll be sharing few things with you. I hope each and every one of you are doing good with your health and with your Riyazat path. The first rag which I'll be discussing is शुद्ध सारंग. ये जो राग है, क्योंकि ये मेरा वाइवा का पेपर है और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि इसको और इसके साथ मिलते जो भी राग हैं, जैसे शुद्ध सारंग के साथ अगर हम लोग बात करें तो इट इज़ श्याम कल्याण. So not going much into the details, I just begin with the basic differences and so that you can better get to know what are we going to do in our coming lectures. So it's Shuddh Sarang first. Let me just on properly with this Tanpura. So here you can see the basic phrase of this rag, जिससे ये पता चलता है कि ये हम लोग शुद्ध सारंग की बात कर रहे हैं. I hope the point is clear. So this was all the beginning, or this was just the alap, which basically describes, which basically explains the rag Shuddh Sarang. Now let me recite 2 or 3 lines of the bandish of the main composition of this rag, I guess, which I'll be taking up with you students. The composition is a traditional one and it is set into 3 tar. अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात मन ले पिहर, मन ले पिहर, जाऊं तो पे बारी 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 अब मोरी बात. See how beautiful the composition is. और इसमें सारा राग जो है, सारे राग की पिक्चर जो है वो बहुत क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन हो रही है. लेट मी रिसाइट द बंदिश अगेन. अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात, मन ले पिहरवा, मन ले पिहरवा, जाऊं तो पे बारी 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 अब मोरी. कुछ लोग इसे, बड़े उस्ताद, पुराने उस्ताद थोड़ा डिफरेंट तरीके से भी लेते हैं. अब मोरी बात, मन ले पिहरवा, जाऊं तो पे बारी 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 अब मोरी बात. प्रेम पिया हमसे नहीं बोलत, विनती करत मैं तो हरि 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 अब मोरी बात. So this is the composition which I'll be taking up with you, and also इसके साथ मिलते जुलते जो भी राग हैं उनकी compositions और उनकी नेचर को भी डिस्कस करेंगे. क्योंकि ये वाइवा का पेपर है, इसकी पूरी डिटेल्स, इसका राग का आरोह अवरोह क्या है, इसके मेन फ्रेजेस क्या हैं, इसकी जाति क्या है. Of course that I'll be talking to you in the class, but this is just a brief idea to let you know that what are we going to do in the coming lectures. So, for example again, अब मोरी बाब मोरी. So this is the things which we'll keep on discussing. So अभी इसके साथ एक राग मिलता है, that is called शाम कल्याण. I'll just give a brief sketch of that same rag. Re 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 na, re na, re. As now you can see the use of Gandhar into it. Re na. जबकि हम लोग अगर शुद्ध सारंग की बात कर रहे थे तो उसमें रे ना, talking the same phrase, if we use into Sham Kalyan, how are we going to differentiate it? Re na, re na. Maybe same theory can be applied through the Devat part also. You can see the concept of Devat into this rag. So this things, the two things which I have mentioned is today is राग शुद्ध सारंग और शाम कल्याण. अब शाम कल्याण की जरा एक स्थाई देख लेते हैं. सावन की साज, सावन की साज, सावन की साज, मुको सुगद भई, मुको सुगद भई, सावन की साज की साज. सावन की so this is the composition which I'll be taking up with you. तो इस बात से ये क्लियर होता है कि there is a huge difference which lies between राग शुद्ध सारंग and Sham Kalyan. अब what is Sarang Ang and how the Sarang Ang is being used in these following ragas or in this following rag, that I will be discussing with you. What is the relevance of Kalyan? What is the relevance of that concept into Sham Kalyan? That will also be discussed. Lekin it's just, as I mentioned before, this video is all about just a brief introduction about the main things which are we going to discuss in your lectures.